We're just at the airport now. Welcome to TAUMEASINA now, guys. Samoa. I don't know what's the Balangi name for a V. It's called a Vis. Yeah, good night last night. Oh! Beautiful night. Samoa. Can you explain how you feel about the new project here?
Oh, the project of the generation.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Excuse me, my birthday. Can I sit in first class or business class?
Oh, hell no.
No. Vicky, we gotta first you to pay that. Oh, how much is that?
Touchy.
Oh.
Touchy.
Wow, he's actually pretty muscly, this dude.
Oh, yeah, me.
Psych!
Yeah, Evans.
Wow.
Can I have a little snack?
Oh my gosh. You all weren't gonna tell me I had a bump on my hair? Guys, oh my gosh, I got the whole morning looks going and I don't know what's going on. My cheeks are really red. But we're getting ready to go.
What's up, guys? Boy Joji over here. We're just at the airport now. We'll just wait for our check-in. And then, yeah, we're off to Samoa, guys.
It's gonna be the quickest 3 to 4 day trip of our lives.
Yeah. So yeah, very excited to see the motherland. And yeah, we'll just wait on the line now, guys. So yeah, so excited to see Samoa, eh? Very excited. It's been a long time. It's 5 years. It's a long time, guys. Can't wait to see Samoa. Eat some Samoan food. Can't wait, man. Hola, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
Oh, it's fogging up. That's how hot it is out here. That's alright, guys.
Welcome to Fiji. Welcome to Fiji. We're here in Fiji now, guys. And wait for our flight to Samoa.
Guys, I've got the biggest migraine right now. I think it's lack of sleep for 2 days. So much so that I just feel like vomiting. He's finally in our rental. It was such a process. It just took so long to convert money and wait for our bags. Dad was chatting to people and then getting SIM cards. So we're finally in our rental, Saks Rental. Big shout out to them. I am so happy with their service and the quality of cars that they have here or there. Never let me down last time. So I went with them again, even though they're, you know, a little bit more pricier than the standard, although not too much, but you're guaranteed to get a car that's not going to break down. Because when I first started coming, that's all I got were those cheap $100 a day, and then having it break down every other day. So we're only here for 4 days. We're heading off to my dad's village, yeah, there you go. We're going to be heading to TAUMEASINA. which I'm so looking forward to because I can't wait to swim. I had the biggest migraine. Lucky Dad gave me ibuprofen because that really helped. Well, lucky I'll fall out. I may walk out sick. My the grass needs a bit of a mow. Where is everyone? Just pulled up to the farm where my dad stays. Ma'am, what are you doing? Oi? Kasi finga. Oh my gosh, please do not kick my car. Oh my. Can you not come so bulldozingly close? Do not try and kick me. What is up with these cows? How am I supposed to? You better move out of the way, buddy. Guys,
this is the farm. Dad's farm. It's the farm, guys. Move down, like you do. Ya, bunga kaabu, bunga kalu, bunga fai, ha? Dia ulam merkang dia, pakang. Your kangi dia ka ele ka. Bunga fa iya wasora mo fo ka isa. Hello, Mason. Why use the rock to throw up there for the V. Do you see the V up there? Allah say me see son. Do it again. There's a V up there. Vai ko ulu mai la. Ko ulu mai la le V. This is how we do it here in Samoa. This is the fruits. I don't know what's the Balangi name for a V. It's called a vis. Psych! Make sure our air pop. Where is your own pop? Look at the newborn cow. Hello. Newborn cow. Come here, little cow. Big boy. Hey, big boy. Wow. Wow.
Guys, just about to check in to our hotel.
We're here at the TAUMEASINA right now. We
What
just
is my
got here.
dad eating?
Our flight is so late today. We just got here. And we just flew in. Check in.
Mike White. Yeah.
Welcome to TAUMEASINA now, guys. Thank you, thank you. Here. We're here in Samoa. Here in Samoa. It's back now. Here, cheers.
Happy birthday, man.
Đừng lẽ ngập bậu rồi, fuse cầm mà có số mình nè.
Breakfast is included tomorrow.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's not good enough. All the ladies in the house, please make some noise. That's better.
Let's go.
Now sit it up. Don't go wild. Not yet. No, in the island of Samoa, we greet everybody by saying Talofa, so everybody say.
There's a light. Welcome. This is our home for like 4 days.
Morning, guys. Oh my gosh, I didn't bring any lotion. I feel like my face is a bit dry. I think I got a video on my phone of our dinner. I'm sorry to say, but their dinner is not the greatest for the prices of that. That's just my humble little review. So that's all I'll say on it. We've stayed here before, but we've never had dinner here. But that was our first time to experience dinner here at TAUMEASINA. So at least we've got that ticked off on our bucket list, I guess. Look at that view, guys. This is just like so beautiful. So beautiful, you can't even make this up. This is just paradise. Absolute paradise. I mean, it's a big treat for us to stay here, but we work so much and so hard that when it's time to play, it's time to play. So we wanted to treat ourselves, and also wanted to treat Aussie for his birthday. 34 tings. I am, you old boy.
34, jeez. Have a good night last night. Beautiful night.
Yes, we did. We did have a good night. It was my first time at Marina Bar.
Marina Bar.
It's my first time at really any bar. But I went because it was Aussie's birthday and he enjoyed himself a lot. Bit too much, hey Aussie? There was so many barlongis. So many barlongis. I don't know what they're all doing here. It was just so weird to see them all. But we're about to head down and have some breakfast at the buffet. Holy, it's hot.
Nice. Beautiful Samoa.
My camera's fogging up.
What a view, guys.
Guys, so we got our breakfast now. This is what I went for. So looking forward to that. What did you get?
Big brekkie from Enjoy. That's me.
I look. Oh my gosh, guys, this is what I hate about Samoa, is that like my face goes so puffy and I just have like the morning looks 24/7, even though I woke up like so many hours ago, and I feel swollen. Anyways, let me not, because some of y'all would rather be here with a swollen face than back home freezing. So we're here in town now, guys. We just left TAUMEASINA. We passed. Oh no, we're coming up to Scoops. That's here.
Welcome to the Scoops. Oh, Tokohuso Papa Shop.
Oh, there's Scoopy Scoops. Oh, they're closed. Not open yet, it's too early for him. No one's eating ice cream this early in the morning.
So many tourists right now.
And guys, can you believe, let me tell them, Seafood Gourmet is closed. Apparently they are moving. That's what I heard, they're moving, but oh my gosh, we went to go there last night for dinner and they were closed, literally fully demolished. The whole place is demolished. And this is the casino. Look how nice it is. They're doing some a revamp because it started getting really gross from the heat. It's so hard to like maintain white here. I think it's just hard to maintain anything, to be honest.
This is the bakery we always get. Getting all wow. Bakery. We here in Bday. This is the Commissioner of New Zealand. High Commissioner of New Zealand.
Oh my gosh, why are you talking like that? There's the home and away over there.
Where?
Over there.
No, it's changing.
This is their advertising 101. Drink, drunk, drives, dead. I remember I went to the police station once to get something for Dad. Or was it you? It was you. We went to get your police report. Do you remember?
No, I do it just myself.
No, I came with you one time, that time that I came. Visiting visa.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And we went into that office. Oh, I wonder if Pim's still there.
No, that's Samoa commercial bank.
No, Pim at the...
Oh, police.
Yeah.
Probably.
Pim was one of the ladies that helped Aussie and I so much with his visa docs, the visiting one that got declined. But she was so helpful, like was willing to print everything and anything for us. Gave us so much advice. But we met her on the Samoan market here or something.
It's good to see Samoa now, eh? Because it's been a long time.
So there's the Vodafone building, which was formerly known as a Blue Sky. And that's the government house.
Welcome to beautiful Samoa.
They're redoing the clock.
This is the old jet mount. When I was not born.
Before you were born?
Before I born. Oh, they're doing the walk again.
That guy must be so hot. Oh my gosh. They're repainting it yellow.
PSP, if you need more Kupekala, PSP. Hari so Kupe au Kisabek. Veni Karathas to North Samoa. It looks so big, right?
Wow, look at where the market used to be. It's all nothing. Nothing at all. I don't know what they're trying to do there, hey?
Oh, redevelopment project. Lakoi fun. So we trying to take some video.
My gosh, Treasure Garden's been there for so long. Shop for rent. So we're in Lepea now, just gonna drop off Becca's clothes for his groomsmen. We've got it in our suitcase. So this is, oh, what church is that?
Povi.
Wow, that's nice.
I thought I have another bumble here. What? Fuck out of 40 side yes. I don't know me audio. Loto pa. This is loto pa.
There's Joe's gym.
We're here at the farm again, guys. Farm boy. Masi koe vai Povi po a mai Povi. Oh ni. What nhiều. Hoa mùa luôn ngon. Hơn. Vậy ông kéo nó luôn nhiều kéo bầu sẽ bắp bộ. Mà có mày Povi vậy? Povi phố qua phòng ngáo đi. Ko ulu are popo fo wa pa u me ruan ngi. Ya, o leo langa ngai ngai Samoa. O lo kom fai aku ngai mangu ia wa ia le rumanga ia tangat Samoa. Kire ale lo ko are au. Kau dei se vau e ai ngai me a la ia. Asora unhei sa ko ngā whai a kore mea rea ko ngā whai a kau re se whai wa ai Povi whai asora le misi whai pūra nunga whai mo pā kokore o risi kūra le risi kūra o risi pāra o risi saila le o nhà rô mai rô sui mỹ ngay Povi phim sui pico pa ye ave ai ele vau umar vau I ya ave pico mo si me ai ngai meo la ai ro fu wa ngi wa vai fu ni au mi lu ngi ya ko lo ngok ngi si me a ya o di si va ya ngai mangu ya ma si ya ke ku pa po sek ro fak mo ku.
Ôi đúng quá. Qua phía badass sao?
Hey, coi qua đây ăn ngay sur pa.
Okay guys, so we just stopped off at Frankie's in Vaikele to get some money out. The line was so long, it took forever to get to the front. The girl was trying to charge us $67 just for 2 drinks. What the orgy? This orgy was apparently $66, but it was just a stuff up on her behalf, and she couldn't fix it until somebody came. It was just back and forth. So we're actually going to Obia to register my dad's gun, and he's probably already there. He's probably going to crack it at us. I got conned into buying this C from those people at the front. I wanted a C to match my outfit tomorrow, and for some reason in that moment I totally picked different. I was thinking of my current offal because this is brown. My offal tomorrow is like a burnt orange. But I want a tiny one. I'm done with the big ones. I want like those tiny ones. They had one tiny one, but it was like wrapped with 2, so it was 2 tiny ones. I'm just rambling now, but this is where we are.
We in Valor.
We in Valor. This is DMC, and DMC is so crap. It's trash.
I never eat the DMC.
Trash. Honestly, it's a dupe of KFC, but it's like nowhere near, and it just tastes so gross.
No sleep then. Is this Singer College? Yeah, wow, ngarkai minha kasi.
This is where Becca's doing his wedding. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it actually? Yeah, well this is where he's doing his wedding. What do we do when they're in there?
That's right.
Wow. That's pretty. This is at the front of the government building or by the side of it. Usually where they do their markets.
Oh yeah. You know what I mean.
What is it?
Really?
What do you call Yale Fia eh?
What do you call it for you?
Fia Park.
Ah, really?
Ola.
She was.
The Fia Park.
Ah, this is the back of the tourism house, behind of the Fallen Malo government building. Oh, you referred kang api oh. Referred me kang asong. Malay taalo mo sa mighty.
You suffer in Fia?
Yeah.
Huh? Fia Park? Wow.
Fai meron nga ulit. Faller. You see? Stage.
Oh, look at that. It's a skate park for the kids.
Yeah, that's a skate park for kids. It's pretty good right now. Yeah, it's really nice. They have everything for the kids. But if you're not a kid, don't come here. But we come here because I got a kids here.
Oh.
It's beautiful behind the government building. It's nice. It's beautiful, natural organic.
Oh!
Everything is natural here in Samoa. Yeah, mate sawa valley nei tua I fole fale malo, but fale malo. Ooh, that's a nice. That's our that's Samoan house. Look beautiful behind here. It's a beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Never been. That's why I came this time to take you here. This is called Life Getaway. It's actually beautiful. So beauty. Yo, le matio mai lunga I se kau pun ma MTV dia ma boleh la pesen. Savali vali maya. Lau mata fia Lupe ole manu. Se falinga so manatu ile me tulanga lo ile project le Samoa.
No, I think it's beautiful.
Okay.
Maybe they need some like wooden chairs along here for people to like sit.
No,
like
the
you know
reason
how they have it at,
I'm just telling you,
like
the
at
reason
Lake
why
Burley
they don't put the chair here, no chair here. The problem is, if you put a chair here, all the home and away will start from here. So beautiful, guys. Look at here. Beautiful Samoa. And the sun is... If you want a fresh air, guys, wait until the evening and you come and walk up here. It's so beautiful. You get a lot of beautiful air. And yeah, make you feel better if your day is not good. So come and walk here, and I'm telling you, it's in Matango Fio, Samoa. O ioro yai baa. O lisi side o ro yai falen malo ia o vai me. Be ia le ke pero MTV no ngane ke ra ala ai o fale a. I can't believe I'm here in Samoa again. Never forget Samoa. Ne te te ta ku whangalo i na Samoa. Le mea ne ka ko kupu mo kako holangi ai. E ka ke mimika. Makwakanga mika I ro ka koe o me kongo ka ngu sa ka whangau mo ka holangi ai. Me mana ia mar matango fie. Ro lau whanua ua matango fie mea uma. Le sami ila. Tala angare, this is a waterfront. A pier. You see here. That's the Ulangifo Samoa. And that's the best Samoa. It's nice.